Today I'll be telling you guys how you guys can change your currency in Epic Games. Now to change your currency, you need to change your region in Epic Games. Whichever region you have, that is the currency you're going to be using. So for this, first you want to search for Epic Games. After you search for Epic Games, click on Epic Games Store and it'll take you to the official website. Over here, click on this person looking icon at the top right and log in into your Epic Games account. Once you log in into your account, click on the person looking icon again, and this time you want to click on accounts. Once you click on account, it is going to take you inside Epic Games account setting. From over here, click on where it says account setting. Once you're in the account settings section, scroll a bit down and under address, you will see the option called country/region. Over here, click on it and choose the country which you want to change into, or choose the country whose currency you want. Let's say I want Swiss currency. I need to switch into Switzerland. Click on save change. Once I click on save change, my account will be changed into a Swiss account. Once it's changed into Swiss account, it is going to show me the amount in Swiss euros. So that is how you guys can change your Epic Games currency. So if you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel How to Guide. I'll see you guys next time.